Yes, I'm telling you hard. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. The teaching count. We're going to start with the weight on the left, section 1. We're going to side rock right to the right side, recover on the left, and cross right over left in front with a hold. Now we're going to side rock left to the left side, recover on the right, and cross left over right in front with a hold. The weight's on the left, we're facing 12 o'clock, section 2. We're going to step right to right side, step left next to right, step right back with a hold. We're going to sweep the left now, so we're going to sweep and step left behind right, step right to right side, cross left over right in front with a hold. The weight's on the left, we're facing 12 o'clock, section 3. We're going to step right to right side, a quarter turn left, and step right forward with a hold. Now we're going to do a half a turn right by stepping back on the left, another half a turn right by stepping forward on the right, and step left forward with a hold. The weight's on the left, we're facing 9 o'clock, section 4. We're going to do a right mambo forward with a half a turn right. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover on the left, a half a turn right with a hold, and a left lock step forward. So step, lock, step with a hold. The weight's on the left now. We're facing 3 o'clock, and we start the dance again. The count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And we start again.